everyone, this is Tanvi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is little different from my other videos. In this video, I will unbox the parcel that I have bought from Itsy Bitsy. If you don't know about that, it's a craft store in India where you will get a huge varieties of craft supplies. This video is not sponsored by them. And if you want to buy the products that I have bought, I'm sharing the link in the description box. So just go and check it out. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I'm very excited to unbox it and use the new products. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Let's get started.
This was the packaging that I have received. Now I'm just opening it. These are the products that I have ordered from Itsy Bitsy. So starting with my first product, that is Fevicryl 3D outliner. This is quickly drying and can be used on every surface, gives 3D effect to your artwork. It is white in color, so here it is. Now coming to this one step crackle medium. It can be used on wood, glass, paper, ceramic, etc. Now coming to these Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue. It is perfectly suited for decoupage and all other craft supplies, or it is quickly and easily clear drying. So I ordered this glossy and this matte one. After that, coming to these 4 shades of chalk paints. Itsy Bitsy have wide range of chalk paints. You can directly apply on any surface without applying any primer. So I ordered these 4 shades. First one is lavender blush. And this is passionate plum. And this is teal tango. And the last one is wild wasabi. These are in matte and shades. Now coming to these Decor Varnish matte and glossy shades. It is great for sealing or protecting your wooden surfaces or wooden projects, and it will also enhance the appearance of the artwork that you guys made. So it is very useful. Next one is wooden bookmarks. These are ideal for decoupage art, resin art, all kind of artwork, or they have huge collection of wooden decorables. You can check their link, like they have wooden coasters, wooden trays, or wooden boards. You can just check it out. After that, this is fixative spray. You can protect your pastel, charcoal or pencil drawings. Now coming to this instant image transfer gel. So it can be used for transferring images into just about any surface, like including wood, glass, etc. Now these are two poster colors that I have ordered. This is silver one and this one is golden. So these are two shades. Now coming to the last product. This is the art resin. It comes into two bottles. Packaging is quite good for these products. This is clear resin and this is hardener. So I'm very excited to use these products in my future projects. So that was today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button and comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel.